Good morning everyone. Today I am making my Bachelorette goodie bags for all my gals, and I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be putting in there in case you need any ideas for yourself. The first product is a Tima towel, and this is a Turkish towel, so I thought it'd be great for the girls so they all have their own towel to wrap around themselves for the lake. I also rented a sauna, so I thought a towel would be really useful. The next product that I'm putting in the goodie bags is body lotion. This is by Plain Products. I have some homemade goat milk soap from a local farm called Veggies to Table. It smells really good. This is lavender.